Let's learn how to do motion control using Hicksville. So today we're going to do a tutorial and I'm going to demonstrate how to do just that in Hicksville. So what I want you to do, go ahead and open Hicksville if you have it, and we're going to hop right into it. So I have Hicksville open, and what we're going to do is go to motion control. So what you have to do with motion control, you need to record yourself in a video. You can say whatever you want to say, right? It can be something funny, it could be something related to your business, it could be something motivational. Whatever it is, you want to go ahead and record that, and it needs to be under 30 seconds, okay? So while we're here on the home screen, you are going to do motion control. Just scroll down. This is the easiest way to do it, and I'm going to type on motion control. Now, I have already done a video, okay? So we're going to use that. But this was a 27-second video, okay, 23-second video that I did, and this is a image that I created in Hicksville, actually, I believe. And so you can use whatever you want, whatever image generator you want. You can use chat image, I think it's 1.5. You can use Hicksville, and that way you can just use the same image that's in there. You can use, there's so many other generators you can use, Krea, Google Gemini, whatever one you want to use, you can use that, and then just import it in here. Okay, I'm just gonna show you that. So it says add your character image with your visible face and body. Okay, so you want to make sure that it's your visible face and body. I'm not going to add it back in there because this is going to show you all of my stuff, and I don't want you to see all my stuff. But nevertheless, so yeah, so you're going to keep it at, so you want to make sure it's clean 3.0 motion control. I'll leave it at 720. It is, I'm sure if you go to see, it doubles the generation cost if you go to 1080, but 720 has never done me wrong. So 38 credits is fine. Now here you can control the scene, so you can do it from the video. So if I want, this is my living room, so if I want the background for my video there, or if I want it for the picture that was up there, I will show that, which is right here, the video that I'm on. I selected the picture or the image background because that's where I want the video to be from. Now for advanced, you can type in here like something specific if you wanted to be doing something else, right? If you want her to be driving while she's talking, or if you want her to be like, you know what, I want her to be standing, but also that's awkward for her. She's gonna be in the car and standing, so then you would need her to be standing in the image that you're using, if that makes sense, right? So you can put the prompt here. You don't have to. I didn't use a prompt for this video, okay? And then for the orientation, you want it to match what? What do you want it to match? You want it to match the what's in the video, because that's what the motion control is. Okay. All right. So, yeah, that's 38 credits, and then we're going to listen to what I had to say.
Hey friend, what if I told you that I made these without having to go into Canva? All I did was give a prompt to my image generator, and voila. I didn't have to say, let me find a template, let me create something. I just, and it gave me this. If you want to learn how I did it, type learn below, and I'll make a video to show you how. Hey friend.
Okay, so let me see if I can play this. I don't think it's gonna play. But basically, I said the exact same stuff, and it has my mannerisms because I can be a bit extra, a little bit. But yeah, let me see. I don't think it's going to let me play it. But again, I don't want to go into. Let me see if it'll play from here. It's not going to. But yeah, so that's my what all she did is exactly what I did. I'm gonna let you
friend,
hear
what
it
if I
again.
told you that I made these without having to go into Canva? All I did was give a prompt to my image generator and voila. I didn't have to say, let me find a template, let me create something. I just and it gave me this. If you want to learn how I did it, type learn below and I'll make a video to show you how. Hey friend.
Okay. The only thing is that in this picture, she is holding a microphone, and the microphone is like doing what it wants to do in this video, which I don't really care. But you can download it, so you download it, and it's going to download to my computer, and then I can download it to my files, and then I can post it on social media. And I can use this for really anything. I can use it on TikTok. I use it on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, to showcase whatever I want to use it for. But you don't have to do any other ones. Let me see. That's the same one. Let me show you the first one I did. Was it this one? I do have one. I have a song, y'all. I have some music. Okay, on on here. Let me see. Some of this I was just playing around with. I think it's this one. I don't really know. I'm not gonna Okay, this is one of the ones I did. Sorry, y'all. I'll just show you this one.
Hey friend, do you hear that sound? It's the sound of builders building. Okay, listen, you don't have to show your face. So if you're ready to build, come join us in the Kingdom Builders AI Lab because it's time to build for the kingdom.
Okay, and then I did create a picture to our image to kind of I screenshot what my actual video was. If you can see that on the right hand corner here in there, I did. You can see that in the back. I tried to get the same background, but it didn't. So I didn't even ask her to do the same background. But yeah, and let me see if I can show you, since I could hover. Let's see if it'll let me you see a little bit of it. Here we go. So that's me talking from the very first video. See, I'm doing my hands, and it captured all of that. So let me know if you're going to try this. Now, like I said, if you don't have Hicksville, that's okay. But you can use it. I think it's on Kling or it's on Krea. It does cost credits, so if you don't have any credits, that's okay. And if you don't find this interesting, that's okay too. But it's crazy because AI is wild, right? You can do your whole mannerisms using an image in the video you created. Especially, I didn't want to post in my scrub top, so I was like, well, let me create an image real quick, okay? But let me know below if you're going to try Kling AI motion control, and then let me know also if this helped you, and if you need help with anything else, comment down below, and I'll make sure I make a tutorial video about it. Until next time, make sure you get like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.